back to my channel. I'm 𝐒𝐃𝐿. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing great if you're wondering, and why? Because this wig is absolutely gorgeous and I'm here, I'm living my big curly hair moment. Let's jump into the details about today's wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is Curlyme. I love Curlyme and I've collaborated with them a lot. This wig is so cute. This is actually a wig that's been trending on the TikTok and I had to get my hands on it. I think Curlyme is the one company that got me started in the dome cap wigs because I think I was first introduced to this style of wig with them. So what I have installed today is obviously a dome cap wig, but let's get into the specifics. I have a 20-inch 4x6 HD pre-plucked, ready to wear glueless closure dome cap wig. This is in the 20-inch style, if I didn't mention, and the texture is ocean wave. And I get that, it's giving me a wave of the ocean. I'm here for it.
See if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want you.
We have another beautiful wig from Curlyme. So their wigs come ready to wear. This is fresh out of the box. That looks pretty good. You can just wear her fresh out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and spray just a tiny bit of lace tint on my lace because I'm wearing her glueless. If I was wearing her secured, the HD lace would just melt in when I put the glue or spray, but because I'm not wearing her glued down, I'm gonna just put a tiny little bit. Okay, so that's what it's looking like now. Hairline is already done. I love that this wig comes pre-plucked, the lace cut, and it comes styled, so you actually don't have to do anything. Okay, ocean curl. We could be done here, but we're gonna just be a little bit extra and define her just a tiny bit more. That looks cute, actually. Oh my gosh, should we wear it off to the side? I feel like we should. So the only part that I like to kind of disguise with these wigs is mostly just the sides here. Then along there. Alright, let it get tucky. Spray and hold, and then I mold. Spray, hold, and mold, okay? It works every time. I used to struggle with doing baby hairs. Like when I first started reviewing wigs, like that was the most difficult thing for me. I don't know why. Like comment below, what is the most difficult part of installing a wig for you? Some people it might be securing it, some people might be blending. I think I want to tidy up the part and just make her a little bit wider. So I'm gonna go in with this palette. You can use any palette you want. This is actually an eyeshadow palette. I like to use the neutral colors and I just go in. And can you see how that kind of opens up the part? Just makes it look a little bit more realistic. Also, this is a great trick for you if you want to hide those knots. I like to seal that in because it's a little too bright, so I'll go in my hairspray. Because it's been curled and it hasn't been recurled, I'm gonna go in with some bio silk. It'll take that frizz away, so I'm gonna use it on this side first so you guys can see. I'm just gonna run my hands through it. Look at that. Look at the difference it just made. It makes the wig even longer. Now, if you want to get it back to that shorter looking length, all you gotta do is scrunch it up. Now we're gonna do this side.
Going all to different places, different planets.
Tiny bit of water. Hit those ends because I like my wigs to look fresh and not crunchy or dry.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.
Okay, I'm happy with that. What do we think, you guys? Spray, hold, and then it molds. I do want a little bit volume right in here, so I'm gonna go in, separate that hair. It just adds a little bit more. Look, she's still glueless.
I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets.
What I love about Curlyme wigs is how they construct their wigs. It kind of goes like a Y around here. So they do a really good job of hiding that start of the closure. A lot of companies are trying to catch up, but they're just not there yet with this concept of like a dome cap wig or a glueless wig. And of course, you guys, their glueless wigs really are glueless. Look, no budging, okay? You can't play with them. Let's get up and close and personal. All I did for this hairline, you guys, is spray a little itty bitty amount of this, and that's how wonderful she's looking. You don't have to pluck her, you don't have to bleach her, you can put her on and just comb her out. The only things that I did was decide to wear her on the side part, which you can do. Look at how wide this parting space is. I know, you guys, look at it. This is why I love Curlyme hair so much, because their wigs have body. Their wigs are very comfortable to wear. You don't feel like you're wearing a wig, and you don't have to worry about doing anything to it. If you get a Curlyme glueless dome cap wig that's pre-plucked, pre-styled, ready to go, you will have that option. Like if you're going to an event and you want something pretty, something fancy that you maybe don't know how to curl, and you want to just pack it with you and then take it out of the box and put it on, this is that company, you guys. I love them. If you haven't checked out Curlyme wigs before, I don't know what you're doing and why you haven't done so already. I love how flat this lace is laying. I didn't have to cut anything off. It's just beautiful, you guys. 10 out of 10. If you want to check out Curlyme hair, I'm gonna link all the information in the description box for you. There's a coupon code, of course, you guys. It's gonna be there as well. Don't forget to check them out before you go. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already and you've made it this far into the video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really does go a long way. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.